Hi, it's Mike Lewis. Quickly going to explain about Ranger Alpha. So Ranger Alpha is a program developed by Bob Pardo, and it's a program that you can use to design your own trading strategies. But Ranger Alpha comes with 6 already ready to go strategies for the E-mini, and I'll quickly run you through this. Okay. So what is Ranger Alpha? A collection of high-performing E-mini trading strategies created by Bob. The portfolio, and I'll go into that in some detail here. These are the portfolio results since the end of development, which was 31st of December 2018. Okay, so you can see the figure there. At the bottom of this chart here, 365%. Okay, so that's what it's made gains since the end of since the program was created. Okay, the strategies, and then since it was released to the public, which is 30th of August 2019. The returns have been 303%. Okay, so that's running these 6 strategies there that you can see in the box to the right, top right, and that's since the release date to the public. Okay, so you can't doctor those figures, they're all genuine results, and these are the strategies that I run. Okay, just a little warning there about hypothetical performance and government required disclaimer. So that's the portfolio of the results. Here we have some people who've been very happy with the results. Trevor West, I think there was an interview with Trevor, and Zumran. There have been a few other people that are very happy with the results, of course, but haven't put testimonials. And then the strategies that we've already featured on the site here. So there's one counter trend, and that was the walk forward analysis, the performance statistics, the equity curve for this one particular strategy, and that's the performance summary, profit factor of 2.6, and then the performance year by year. Okay, so there's a few versions. You can buy the open code. So a 1-year license, 595. Signal only, 1-year license, 695. Optimizable, 995. Single lease only, 195 per month. That's signal only lease. Now that's the one that I have links to on the separate site, but here this is Bob's site. I'll give you the link at the bottom of the video. Okay, so that's the counter trend strategy one, then the quiet trend strategy one, that's the walk forward analysis, again performance stats, total net profit 105,837, equity curve, profit and loss 1.37 profit factor, and then you go into the performance by year, similar amounts, and then there's the government disclaimer, and the with trend. So there's with trend 1, type 2 number 1, type 3 number 1, type 2 number 2. Okay, so all of those. Just quickly whiz through them. We'll just have a look at the equity curves. Okay, so that is since 2016 up to March 21, and then that's the equity curve for them. Last one, I think, yeah. With trend, type 2, number 2. That's the equity curve there. So you can see all these strategies are profitable, but when you add them together, the net result has been a gain of 303% since it started trading, since it was released to the public, which was the 30th of August 2021. Sorry, that date's wrong. Sorry, 30th of August 2019 was released to the public. And that's obviously up to March, I think, 2021, those figures. Okay, that's just a quick run through Ranger Alpha. Sorry it's a bit all over the place. There's a lot to take on board here. You know, it's a program that helps you run and design your own strategies, but it comes with 6 strategies of its own. So if I just quickly show you what it looks like on my trade station here. So this is today. So today is actually the 7th of September 21. Okay, and I'll quickly show you how it looks on mine. So that's the strategy. So if you customize it, you know, the inputs on the left here, sorry, the name of the input on the left and the value on the right hand side there. Okay, and then that basically runs on hourly bars on the ES. So that's the ES chart. And I'll just enlarge this so you can see the recent sort of signals. I think I've outlined these in my trading diary. So if you look here to the left, there was a short here, the far left, and that was a losing trade. It closes at the end of the trading day. Then another short following day, again close for a small loss. Then a few days without anything. Then a buy here, a long signal was triggered. Now, what date was this? On the 3rd of August. And then a short up here that took just a small short towards the end of the day. I think that was just a losing trade. Yeah, by a point and a bit. Then last signal was a long trade. That was just the 8th of August. And there have been more trades since then, surely. Let's have a look. Yeah, there was a long here. It's quite a nice one actually. It's just caught the intraday dip and then closed at the high and the end of the day, which is when this program closes. Then a nice short here towards the end of the day, which was a losing trade. What a monster this was. Just caught that little upward spike for a short and then a significant drop towards the close. We captured nearly all of that. A couple of days later there was a short that didn't quite work out. Then a long that didn't quite match up. Then a couple of days later a long that did match up. I think that is about, yeah, there's no other trades after that. Okay, but obviously the different programs that you run will have signals on different days and things. Okay, that's just a quick run through Ranger. just remember that, you know, these are the figures up until that date, 303% for running that portfolio, and that's in about 2 years. Okay, so if you're interested in Ranger, just click on the link. There's different ways of leasing it. You can talk to me or Bob about the whole program with the trading strategies, obviously, with it. Okay, thank you very much.